everyone. In this video, we can see how efficiently we can create an additional contact from the portal. In default Odoo, there are no features to manage their own contacts. So this module helps us to manage contacts from the portal page. Different contact types can be managed from the portal like an invoice, delivery, private and others. Now, let's get into the contact and see how we can create a contact from the backend. So for that, let me get into the contacts. So from here we can click on the new option to create a new contact, and this is the contact that I have already created. So let me just get into that particular contact that I have created. Okay. Here we need to give an additional informations like address, GSTIN number and also phone number, mobile number, email ID if needed. On bottom of that we can see we can add an additional addresses. So these are the samples that I have added. So let me get into that. So from here, for this particular main contact, there will be some sub contacts. Okay, so if needed you can use an invoice address or else a delivery address if needed. Okay, like this. So once this will be done, that is, then for after creating the contacts, we need to give an portal access to access the database for this particular contact, right? So for that, we need to give an portal access. To give an portal access, we need to click on that action. Under that, we can see and grant portal access menu. Okay, so it will open a wizard. Then the contacts will be shown like it will show a main contacts, also the additional contact address as well. So from here we can see and grant portal access option. So if this contact still have no user, by clicking on the grant portal access, it will create an user, that is portal user. If the user was already created, then we can see and revoke access as well as the reinvite access which is available. So we can revoke the access which we have provided, and also we can reinvite that particular user by using that reinvite option. Okay, now let's get into the user and see how that particular portal user will be created. So for that we need to get into the settings, and the user and companies we can see the users that we have created. Okay, now we can remove the filter that will be available. Now we can see these are the portal users that we have created. So let me get into that. Now we can see the email ID available. Now we need to set up the password for login. So for creating a password, we need to get into the action. Under that, we can see a change password. So from here, we can create a new password. Okay, now let's change the password. Now let's see how we can add an additional contacts to the user from the portal view. So for that, let me get into the website. Okay, so now I am in the website page. Okay, so where we can log in. So from here I'm going to log in as a user that I have already created, right? Yes, now we can see the contacts menu will be available. So from here we can see the contacts for each and every user, how many additional contacts are there. It will show the counts right away here. Now let me get into that. Okay, so once we have clicked, it will show that views, list of views of the contacts will be in that Kanban view, as well as the list view will be available. Once we open the contact, we can see there is a filter option, sort by option available, filter option, and also we can see and group by option, or as well as the search. We can search by using various ways. Okay, so also we can just open by just getting into and contacts, each and every contacts we can see these are the contacts that we have already created. So we can edit the contacts whenever we need, and also from here we can create a new contact. So let me create a new contact. So for creating a new contact, you can create by using various types. Okay, from here we can see these are the types that we have provided. So from here we can create a new contacts, or else new invoice address contacts, delivery address contacts, which is same like a backend. Okay, and also if you need to create an new contacts for more, so you can just use and save a new option to open a new wizard like this. So if it is okay for you, you can just use and save and close option to save it, and also you can use a discard option to discard that contacts that we have created. Okay, and you can see an option named as sort by. So we can sort this by using the name, phone, okay, email ID, grade, city, country, state. And also we have the option to filter, like if we have created an contacts with the type of company, you can see those contacts right away here. And also you can use an individuals to see what are the individual contacts that we have created for this particular contact under this main contact. Okay. And also we have the group by option, so we can group it by using an salesperson wise, and you can group it by using the city wise. Okay, you can see it will be sort out all the filter, that is all the data with using with the help of city wise. Okay. And from here you can see the search option, you can search by using email, more phone, city, state, country as well. Okay. And there will be an options to delete as well as and edit the contact. Okay. Now we can see these contacts that we have created will be same that which is available in the backend as well. Now let's me get into that. Yes, these are the contacts. Okay, now let's create a new contact. So for that, let me get into here and create a new contact. Okay, so for your and the email ID as well. Okay. Yes, now let me save this one. User created, that is, you can see the user created successfully. Now let me refresh this page and you can see the user will be added. The same thing will be added in the backend as well. So let me get into that and see. Yes, we can see that added additional contacts will be available in the backend as well. In this way, we can make use of this module to create an contact from the portal page.